Thank you so much. A very good morning to all of you. First of all, my special regards to the dais, Mallikarjun Rao sir. He happens to be my previous MD and CEO at Punjab National Bank. Devdutt Chand, my fellow MD and CEO from Bank of Baroda, Mr. Lin from Singapore, and all the esteemed guests over here, and also a special mention to Tantale sir, ex-MD Central Bank of India. So I am delighted to be here at this conference, 12th edition of the IBEX India Conference, the marquee conference here at Geo. Technology and innovation in an AI-driven era, surrounded by industry leaders from banking and other financial sectors. So I am very sure that the two-day session which is there today and tomorrow, that will be very interesting for not only the participants but also to the audience here, with the kind of the themes which are there for all these speakers, which I was seeing in the paper yesterday evening, that lot of good themes and interesting themes are there for all the panelists. So my talk would be outlined on the role of the emerging BFSI, banking, financial and services technologies in the digital transformation. The digital transformation is no longer a choice, if I can say. It is an imperative driven by rapid digital adoption, government initiatives and evolving customer expectations. The key lies with the leveraging of the technology responsibly, ensuring inclusivity, security and customer centricity. India's BFSI sector is not just undergoing digital transformation, and it is also redefining the global landscape across the world. Honorable Prime Minister, as has been said by previous speakers also, in his opening address at the AI Action Summit last week in Paris, has also emphasized on the employment that it does not disappear due to technology, which is something which is very important. Its nature changes and the new types of jobs are created, and we need to invest in skilling and reskilling our people in this AI-driven future, especially in the BFSI sector. So my speech will be in three parts. The first part is with respect to the need of digital transformation in the BFSI sector. So some data on that. The first thing is with these, today's India boasts of nearly 880 million internet users and nearly 690 smartphone users, which helps in the digital transformation. UPI transactions, if I may say, alone crossed 60 billion in the month of December 24, and they are amounting to now nearly 23 trillion rupees. The second is the initiatives which have been taken here with respect to Digital India, with respect to the Jandan accounts, the UPI, which has accelerated the financial inclusion, bringing more millions of previously unbanked in the country into the formal financial system. And third, the next-gen customers' demands, which are seamless, instant and personalized financial services, from the digital payment solutions to AI-driven customized services. That is another need why digital transformation is required from the BFSI sector. The second part that I would like to touch is with respect to the role of technology and innovation in this AI-driven era under the digital transformation. First part within which would be something about Bank of India, since I represent Bank of India. Here at Bank of India, we have established ourselves with a data-driven organization through the implementation of our enhanced enterprise data warehouse. And in that, what we have done is under the project Star Aditya, which has tripled our customer-centric storage capacity. That is one thing which we have done. Bank has successfully integrated over 35 internal and external data sources in it, and which is enabling to build more than 25 AI and ML use cases, focusing on revenue uplift, cost reduction, risk profiling improvement, and also marketing of various products, which is there. Apart from that, our bank has also started customer-facing chatbots and developed solutions including generative AI, voice tools for our call centers, and HR knowledge tools also, and bots, and meeting the summarization tools. In all, if you see the digital transformation within our bank, I can say that there are at present more than 20 journeys which we are doing through the digital side, not only on the liability side, whether it is opening of the CASA accounts, fixed deposit accounts and other kinds of accounts on the liability side, but also on the asset side, many loan products in the retail segment like housing loan, vehicle loans, personal loans, even gold loans have been digitized, and also in the agriculture loaning side, and also on the MSME side like all other banks. So a lot of digital transformation is taking place in the bank, in our bank as also in the other banks. Now, as regards the role of technology is concerned, there are certain key points over there. The first point is with respect to the CRM systems. There, a lot of transformation is taking place. Generative AI is enabling hyper-personalization outreach programs, analyzing customer behaviors in the banks, and using propensity models to recommend the most relevant financial products and services. The other thing which the digital transformation is helping in the banks is about the call centers, where generative AI powered virtual assistants are assisting and providing instant resolutions and enhancing customer satisfaction for reducing customer handle times and substantially. Blockchain technology is another thing which is transforming the KYC verification and enabling our secure, tamper-proof and digital identities, reducing the compliance costs significantly, and blockchain-powered cross-border remittances are also reducing transaction costs and cutting the settlement times across all the banks. Then end-to-end digital onboarding for saving and current accounts has also cut the processing time significantly, improving the operational efficiencies within the system and enhancing the overall banking experience and customer satisfaction for our stakeholders. Apart from that, another crucial aspect which is happening in the banking with respect to the digital transformation is delivering a true omni-channel experience through multiple platforms like mobile banking, internet banking, and also through ATMs. Then there is the establishment of very proactive and predictive 24/7 monitoring systems which are being used by the banks under the advanced AI and ML driven tools to ensure continuous monitoring of critical banking systems and minimizing the downtimes and fortifying the securities under the cyber threats which are happening in the system at large. Third part of the presentation would be about the fintechs and the digital lending and how the credit access is happening through the digital lending and the transformation which is happening through that. The adoption of the plug-and-play models and modular banking architecture is further accelerating the transformation, enabling banks to seamlessly integrate the third-party fintech solutions. Digital lending platforms leveraging AI-driven alternative credit scoring have expanded access to credit for new-to-credit customers in the bank, whether they are retail customers or they are the MSME customers or they are the agri customers. Additionally, banks are also leveraging on the API-driven ecosystems to experience an increase in operational efficiency and cost saving by adopting scalable, cloud-based fintech solutions. So these are the basic things which are helping on the credit side and also on the business side for the banks, both on the liability and the asset side. Finally, I would say in conclusion that the digital transformation in the BFSI sector is not merely about technology adoption. It is also about creating an agile, customer-centric, and future-ready financial ecosystem. As we move forward, embracing AI, blockchain, open banking, and resilient operations, which will be a pivotal role in shaping the future of banking and the financial services in India. As the house here, I would say, and as industry leaders sitting over here, it is our collective responsibility to drive this transformation, ensuring that technology serves as an enabler for inclusive, secure, and efficient financial services. Thank you so much and have a nice conference. Thank you.